to clean up my fridge because it is so bad in there. I literally have moldy food, things that have gone bad, so don't judge me. I've been trying to juggle life with 3 girls. Twins are in summer break, so I don't know, it's been very difficult. We've been trying to keep them entertained. I'm gonna baby wear her for a little bit and let's clean up. This is currently how my fridge is looking like. It is so unorganized and so dirty. So let's empty everything out. First, we need a trash bag. And never mind, Mike brought me a trash can. We're gonna put all the trash in here. Let's do the drawers first. These are still pretty good. Carrots are good. Y'all see this lettuce? Look how bad this lettuce went. All this should be good. This is actually salsa. Oh, look at this. That is nasty. Okay, let's empty out the rest. There was only 2 moldy things, so I actually exaggerated more than I should have. I thought it was gonna be worse because we were out of town for 4 days, but that's not bad. I put Catalaya down so we can actually get a good deep cleaning in there. Let's organize all the sauces. This side done.